The Great Emu War, a feathery fiasco in the field's 1920s, the end of World War I, turned into a peculiar struggle for Western Australia's agricultural community. Returning soldiers from the war found themselves facing an unexpected adversary: emu birds. Though seemingly small and harmless, emus were notorious for eating crops, wreaking havoc on farming lands, and causing headaches for local farmers. At this point, the Australian government felt the need to find a solution to the emu invasion. In 1932, the initiative named the War Against Emus was launched, initially considered a serious solution. However, this endeavor took a comical turn: an armed dance between farmers and emus. The Australian Army was sent to assist armed farmers in their battle against emus. However, the results achieved against emus were far different than expected. Despite being armed with machine guns, the soldiers found it challenging to control emus due to their rapid and agile movements. The failure of the army became widely covered in the press and turned into a humorous story. Emus continued to roam freely in the fields, seemingly mocking the soldiers. This situation was later dubbed the Great Emu War and became a story that would not be forgotten in history. A lesson from a feathered madness: emus 1, humans 0. The Great Emu War stands as a comical resolution to a serious problem. The failure of the farming community against emus eventually turned into a ridiculous anecdote. This event serves as a reminder of how powerless humans can sometimes be against nature, and how plans can unexpectedly go awry. The Great Emu War, a memorable madness in history. The Great Emu War is etched into history as a feathery madness in the fields. The true lessons behind this comical war highlight how unexpected developments can occur in warfare, and how dealing with nature is not always straightforward. The peculiar dance between emu birds and farmers remains an unforgettable moment in history, a tale of unexpected humor.